Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be creating a cosine wave plot using LaTeX tickets and PGF plots. If you are into LaTeX and want to improve your ticket skills, stay tuned. First, we need to set up our document by importing the necessary package. The article class is used in import tickets and PGF plots allows us to create high quality plots. The tickets environment is where we define our plot. Now let's set up the axis using the axis environment inside tickets. Axis line is equal to middle places the axis at the center. X label and Y label define the axis labels. X minimum and X maximum set the range for the axes, and similarly for Y minimum and Y maximum set the range for the Y axis. X tick and X tick labels set appropriate labels for the X axis, and similarly for Y stick set appropriate label for the Y axis. Samples is equal to 100 ensures a smooth curve, and domain is equal to 0 colon 2 pi restricts the graph to the 0 to 2 pi, and y tick is equal to empty. Remove the tick label for the cleaner appropriate. The blue thick style makes the graph clear and visually appealing. Finally, we add a label to indicate the function. This places the label at x equal to pi near the peak of the cosine wave. To complete the document, we close all open environments, and there you have it, a perfectly formatted cosine wave plot in LaTeX. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what tickets or LaTeX topics you would like to see it.